Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video we will talk about how to get real primary trend lines reported on your credit profile. Now, this company called Tradelines LLC reported this 4 days ago, which is a auto loan of $62,907, which was recently paid off October, and the full balance right now is $0 because it is a closed auto loan. Now, this account is about 5 years of payment history overall with 100% payments on time. And this account is a primary. It is not an authorized user because this account reports under your information on your credit profile. So when you apply for an auto loan or a high limit credit card, when the creditors or banks pull your report, they will see a $62,000 auto loan that has been fully paid off by you. So the trade line, all of the information, all of the details, payment history will be reflected as your own. And to show that it is a primary, it shows individual. Now let's get straight to the point. Where do you get it? This company is called Tradelines LLC. What they do is have 6 pricing plans. The first 3 is the essential, professional, and enterprise. And these 3 report to your personal credit, your CPN, and your business profiles. Now, the essential comes with a $45,000 credit line. The professional comes with an $80,000 credit line, and the enterprise comes with a $120,000 credit line. All of these 6 pricing plans comes with 1 auto primary and 1 credit card primary. Now, each one varies based on the age history, but overall, they report to all 3 credit bureaus for all of these 6 pricing plans, and it only takes 7 business days. Now, if you are trying to get a CPN instead, they have 3 CPNs below with different price points. These CPNs already come with the same primary trend lines above here, and they already are reported. It takes 7 business days to report, as in your information, to try merge the CPN. So here's the difference. With the CPN, they just need to try merge your information. So then the CPN would be under your name, and that would take 7 business days. For the regular primary trend lines, you can report it to your personal credit, your CPN, or your business, and that takes 7 business days. All 6 report to all 3 credit bureaus, but the CPN is already reported. Now here is also more proof of reporting. Here is a $80,000 auto loan reported January 7th, 2026, which is this CPN right here, $80,000 auto primary, and the credit card's $40,000 reported 6 days ago, which is the same enterprise $40,000 credit card primary. You can contact them through text or email or through this contact box. This is where I got the primary trend lines from, and here is the reporting through Chrysler Capital.